back with you again. First video with the new camera on some of the wood art that I'm doing. Now you can actually see the detail instead of it all being pixelated out and fuzzy and all that stuff. This is one of the two 70s era Vettes that I mentioned in the 100 sub special video, making it for a customer. Like I said, cutting it out double thick so that there's two portraits of the car done once I'm done cutting everything out. But basically, this is just a test to see how the resolution is on this camera and just how much detail it can pick up. So, bear with me, guys. And unfortunately, because the line I'm cutting is in the middle of three other lines, I'm going to have to go grab some tape and tape the pattern down so that it stays put. Be right back, guys. Okay, well, simple solution. You have a pattern that's jumping all over the place. Grab some tape and go back to it. There we go. There we go. And let's see. Getting this piece out. Not an especially thin piece like some of the others I've showed you, but definitely a piece that shows the real detail of the grille on this car. So, alright, well, pause it here, get a little bit more detail done, and then show you when I'm deeper into the project.